और जी वेलकम बैक टू स्पोर्ट्स जोन द ग्लोबल एडिशन विद मी नवीन एंड अल्तमश। और जो है हम अब बात करने वाले हैं बहुत मज़ेदार किस्म की ऑफ कोर्स एंड ओवर टू यू विद द इंटरव्यू।
Naveen, thank you very much. Amir Khan, आलमी बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन, लाइट वेल्टरवेट चैंपियन, उनकी फाइट होने वाली है लास वेगस में on the 11th of December. हमने उनसे actually he's on the line with us right now. We spoke to him about, we will be speaking to him about his sentiments going into this fight. Amir, first of all, thank you very much for speaking to us. How prepared are you for this fight? It's a big fight for you coming up in Vegas. Amir, can you hear me?
For me, big fight for me. First time in Las Vegas. The last fight was in New York, and it's the second time we fight in America. So looking really forward to it. I think it's going to be a big test for me.
Okay, Amir, you have been training with Manny Pacquiao, the best pound-for-pound fighter in the world right now. How's the training been so far for you? What all new things have you learned from him?
Yeah, you know, we sparring and we training together, and I think it's good for me to come to Philippines and to see a lot of fighters over here as well. You know, and to do a lot of training with Freddie Roach, my trainer, and Manny Pacquiao, because, you know, I'm learning every day. We've been sparring with Manny, doing really good, and it's good experience for me as well. So it's good preparation for the fight.
Okay, so Amir, whose decision was it for you to go to Philippines and train with Manny Pacquiao?
Oh, it was myself, you know, Freddie, and I said, Freddie, where are you? And Freddie said, I'm going to be training with Manny in Philippines, so why don't you just come over here? And I said, okay, that's fine. So it was me and Freddie who made the decision. You know, Golden Boy have no, you know, they don't really care where I'm training or who I train with. But as long as I'm training and I'm making sure, because they just organize the fights. Because now we've got Khan Promotions and Golden Boy Promotions who are joint ventures. So, you know, it was my own choice to come here and train here.
Okay, Amir, now stepping away from your fight, which is coming up in Vegas, your brother was actually representing Pakistan at the Commonwealth Games. Haroon Khan, he got the bronze medal. What do you have to say about his performance?
Yeah, you know, it's a big test for me, this fight is. It's going to be a big fight for me. So Vegas is a big, you know, it's like a mecca of boxing because they have all the big fights there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man. It's going to be very exciting.
Okay, Amir, your last fight was you stopped your opponent in the 11th round. What are you expecting for this one? Are you going for a knockout as well? Which round are you expecting to stop Maidana?
Yeah, Haroon's, you know, doing really good. He you know, looking strong, looking sharp, and he won the bronze medal for Pakistan, which is you know, for his you know, Haroon dual nationality. Me and Haroon are both dual nationality. My parents were born in Pakistan, we were born in England, so that gives us the right to, you know, we represent the Pakistan country as well. So that's what we did. And Haroon's gone there and he's fought for Pakistan, won a bronze medal, beating the guy who did it for England and, you know, Great Britain. So, you know, he's done a good thing, and hopefully it's going to give him good experience for the 2012 Olympics in Pakistan as well, you know, who he can represent for.
Okay, good luck to you for your upcoming fight. Thank you very much for speaking to us. चलें जी, आमिर बात कर रहे थे 11th को उनकी फाइट आ रही है. Thank you, Amir. काफी heavy accent है उनका. I'm not here to defend him anyways, लेकिन 11 December, 24 fights, 23 wins, 17 knockouts. क्या लगता है एक बार फिर वो अपने opponent को knockout कर पाएंगे?
जरूर.
You guys look as puzzled as
पाकिस्तानी है तो हमें बायस भी होना चाहिए. बिल्कुल
हो जाएगा knockout. ठीक है, बस हो जाए. Anyways,
we can hope for the best.
चलें जी, other sporting events में इस वक्त होने वाला है Basel में final between Federer and Djokovic. Once again, it's a repeat of last year जिसमें Djokovic जीत गए थे. उसके बाद main match जो होगा कल between Pakistan and South Africa. जो ये मैच जीतेगा वो ये सीरीज जीतेगा. उसके अलावा चेल्सी लिवरपूल का मैच भी होने जा रहा है. और माज वहाँ से 1 मिनट
एक खबर बता दूं कि नडाल has pulled out of the Paris Open. उनको फिर से टेनिटाइटिस की प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो गई और उनके डॉक्टर ने कहा है कि यू नीड एटलीस्ट 6 to 7 days of rest. तो नडाल हैज पुल्ड आउट, तो इस बार पेरिस ओपन में हम नडाल को नहीं देख सकेंगे. That's very sad.
I sympathize with you. इस बात पे हम आज ये वाला शो एंड करेंगे. Thank you very much for joining us. मेरा नाम है अल्तमश जीवा और मेरे साथ हैं
नवीन वकार, and you can catch us right here on Sunday 6:30 right here on Dawn News. और with that said and out of the way.
Take care. Khuda Hafiz. See you next week inshallah.